Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, Emitonia here. So for those of you that newly joined the channel, wow, you guys are highly welcome. So you are in Emitonia channel and my name is Tonia. I'm a Nigerian mom vlogger here in Italy. Okay, so I just came back now. I've been out since morning and I just got in, not really right now because I've been able to make lunch for the kids and they have had their food, and I've been able to put the twins also to bed for their nap. So now I want to just quickly, since I've not been at home since morning, I want to quickly organize the house and sweep and tidy up before hubby comes back. Hopefully I will be done before he comes back. So you guys should come along with me. This is gonna be like, clean, organize, tidy up video with me, okay?
Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? 'Cause baby, I'm not sure, but let's take a chance this time. And I can't remember the last time I saw you cry. I don't wanna do it, I had to, you know it. I hate when we say goodbye. 'Cause I'm coming back around. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know I'll do anything to come and see ya. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. Always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. Yeah. It's already winter, and I'm starting to forget the smell of your hair, the taste of your lips. I wish I was there instead. And why is it bitter? 'Cause you're hardly in my bed.
So guys, my hubby just came in. He went to an African shop to get us some things, and he got us Indomie. So this is like 2 months now that we have been waiting for this kind of pack to arrive. You know, there are 2 different types of Indomie. So, and this is the type that we like because the other one always gums. Marcus, let me hear what, please. Gums together. I really don't like that one. So he went to check if they have gotten it now. Luckily for us, we have it now. What? And some mops. Let me see. Yeah. And we got some plantain.
What's that thing?
Sweetheart, how much is the plantain?
Yeah.
For all of them? €4. For all of them? Wow. All these.
Yeah.
Both ripe and unripe. So we have about 5 fried plantains and 4 unripe for €4. That's okay. And this is our swallow. This is the swallow we usually have. So either I make it the fresh one or we buy this. So that's it. I'm just gonna go on with what I was doing before.
Go.
Mom. Cause I'm coming back around. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know when I'm all alone I really need ya. You know set me free. Ooh, no, no, no. 'Cause I'm coming back around. Ooh, no, no, no. No, no, no. 'Cause I'm coming back around. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know, when I'm all alone, I really need ya. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know, I'll do anything to come and see ya. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. Hey, oh.
So guys, this is me making hubby's food. He just got back and he's very hungry. Though I was very busy, I'm still very busy, but he begged me to come and make this food, and I truly understand him because he went to this African shop from work. Every normal human being should be very hungry and also tired, you know. I don't know what is this I'm getting from this, you know. I should have made this food for him since, but because we were not having this swallow, so that's why I couldn't make it. So that's one of the reasons why he went to this place from work, from his working place. So this is his food.
No.
Mickey, she does say,
Yes, Mom.
please can't tell your daddy that his food is ready, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? 'Cause baby, I'm not sure, but let's take a chance this time. And I can't remember the last time I saw you cry. I don't wanna do it, I had to, you know it. I hate when we say goodbye. 'Cause I'm coming back around. You know, I'm always coming back around.
everything. That's to show you how I needed this. So I'm going to be wrapping up this video right here now. Thank you so much guys for watching. Okay, in case you are coming across my video for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking and thank you for watching. I'm Tonia and you are in Amy Tonia's channel. So I'm a Nigerian that is based in Italy. I'm directly filming from Italy. I'm a mom vlogger, so I vlog on lifestyle and I also do some recipes, some cooking as well. So if you love what you see on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and please turn on the post notification for more interesting videos. Thank you all of you that always come back. You guys are the real thunder. You understand, okay? Love you guys and see you guys on my next one. This is Emitonia signing out. Mwah. Ciao.
Subscribe for more videos.